BNC Series, Servo Production Systems. Optimize your production. With the new BNC2 and BNC4 servo production systems, you now manufacture traditional stamped and formed parts even more flexibly and efficiently. The powerful BNC systems are fully compatible with the MRP standard. All tools of MRP machine types UB2, UB3, and UB4, as well as the respective B versions, can easily and quickly be adapted and optimized for the two servo machines. Benefit from up to 300% faster speeds, 90% shorter setup times, and significantly higher productivity. The latest servo technology with high-precision units offers plenty of freedom for your production. Program working stroke, working position, and motion profile freely over the entire operating range. Manipulate strip and wire material at each station at optimal speed. The result: consistently high product quality, highest process safety, and long tool service life. With the integrated Bihler VariControl central control platform, you operate all machine functions, machining processes, and monitoring tasks easily and safely. Call up the motion profiles of individual movements during a changeover procedure for a 100% exact replication at the push of a button. The B-Assist Multimedia Diagnostic and Online Help System supports you with videos, images, and a wealth of expert knowledge. Rapid delivery of spare parts for machine and control system, as well as comprehensive support, are guaranteed. With the BNC2 and the BNC4, Bihler offers two pioneering production systems that meet many requirements regarding smart factory today. BNC Series, Servo Production Systems. Bihler, technology in motion.